everyone. This is Zahid Abbas and you are watching IT Assignment Professor channel. Today I am going to start new assignment, that is New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 2 SAM Project 1A. Okay, this is Bergament Urgent Care Clinic. Okay, in this tutorial we will format the workbook as per the instructions. So let's start from the beginning. As per the instructions, in the first paragraph, 3 points, we just need to simply save and rename it. So first of all, we will go to file, click on save as, click on browse, just replace this one with 2 and click on the save button. Okay, so first paragraph is complete. Now we are going to move step projects. Projects step number 1 is Jennifer Williams is the business manager at the Bergament Urgent Care Clinic. Jennifer is adding formatting to the workbook she used to track statistics on the patient visit to make it easier to read and use. Change the theme of the workbook to office. Okay, so basically this is our question. Change the theme of the workbook to office. Okay, so let's go to page layout, go to theme, click on office, the first one. So question number 1 is complete. Now move to the question number 2. Switch to the visits worksheet and then format the headings, merge and center the range A1 to H1. Copy this range, we need to merge and center. Go to visits worksheet, paste the range here, press enter, go to home button. This is our merge and center, click here, done. Question number 3, apply the heading 1 style to the range A1 to H1. Okay, so A1 to H1 is already selected, we just need to change the cell style, heading 1. So this is our heading 1. Question number 4, merge and center the range A2 to H2. Copy this range, go to Excel sheet, paste the range here. Okay, this is our range, we need to merge and center. So this is our merge and center. Question number 5. Next, Jennifer need to format the report dates. Change the background color of the range A4 to A5. Copy this range, okay, to gray asset 3, lighter 80%. No problem, you are using any software 2000, MS Office 2017, 18, 19, 20, no problem. Just we need to follow this instruction. 7th column, second row, any color present in the 7th column, second row, we will choose and select. Okay, no problem, you are using any MS Office software. So we have copied this range. First paste the range in the Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the Excel, our range. Now we need to change the background color, 7th column, second row, okay, of the theme colors. Go to theme colors. This is our second row, this is first row and this is second row, second row, 7th column, 7. Okay, asset 3, 80%. Here is asset 3, 80%. Okay, so this question is complete. Now move to the question number 6. Format the range A4 to A5 as bold. Copy this, go to Excel. Is the range, we just need to bold, click on the bold button, bold. Okay, Question number 7. Format the range B4 to B5 to use a date format with a two digit month, a two-digit day, and a two-digit years. Okay. So we have already copy the range. We just need to paste the range here, and now we need to format the date. Okay. Go to date. We just need to two digits, so this is two digit. Okay, done. Question number 8. She also want to format the table heading. Format the range A7 to H8 as italic. Copy this range, paste the range here, and click on the italic. Done. Question number 9. Apply horizontal centering to the contents of the each cell in the range A7 to H8. Copy this range, paste the range here. Okay, this is the range. We need we need to we need to apply horizontal centering. Okay, horizontal centering. Click here, go to alignment, horizontal centering. Click OK. Done. Now question number 10. Change the background color of the range A7 to H7. Copy this range, paste the range here. Okay. Orange ascent to lighter 60%. 6 column third row. Okay. 6 column third row. Go to theme columns. 6 column third row. So first, second, and third. This is third row. This is third row. 6 column. 6. Okay. Ascent to 60%. Click here. So question number 10 is complete. Now move to the question number 11. Change the background color of the range. Copy this range. Control C and Control V here. This is our range plus and F8 to H8. We also need to copy the range F8 to H8. F8 to H8. Press Control button from the keyboard and then select the range. So you can select two different cells. Okay. Now we need to change the background color. Orange ascent to 40%. Column number 6, fourth row. Okay. These are the columns. Column number 4. Let's verify again. Column number 6 and fourth row. 2, 3, 4. So here we need to see the 6 number column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So click here. Okay. Done this question. Now question number 12. Merge and center the range A7 to A8. Copy this range, paste the range here. Control V, Control C for copy, and Control V for paste. Okay. First we need to merge and center. Click on the merge and center, and then center the content of the merge cell vertically. Okay. Go to general, go to alignment, vertically center. Okay. Click OK. So done this. Question number 13. merge and center the range E7 to E8. So first copy this, paste the range here, merge and center, merge and center, and then center the content of the merge cell vertically. Same we have done in previous question. Moment, center vertically. Okay. The question number 14, merge and center the range B7 to D7. Copy this, paste the range here, merge and center, then merge and center the range F7 to H7. Copy this, paste here. We need to merge and center. Done this. 14 question complete. Okay, question number 15. Jennifer would like to spruce up the table data. Change the background color of the range A10 to H10 to white background, one darker 5%. First column, second row. Okay, of the theme color palettes. Uh, First column, second row. So this is the white background one, darker 5%. Click here. Then we need to repeat in the range A12 to H12. Copy this range, paste the range here, go to theme color and click on the darker 5%. Okay, question number 15 is complete. Now question number 16, in the range F9 to H12, copy this range, apply the percentage number format with 0 decimal place. Okay, 0 decimal, paste the range here, go to here, go to percentage and 0 decimal, click OK. So this question is complete. Question number 17, use the highlight cell rules conditional formatting to format cell in the range G9 to G12. Copy this range. With a value less than 6%, use light red fill with dark red text. Okay, so first of all, paste the range here and then go to conditional formatting, go to highlight and go to less than. Okay, less than 6%. Already 6% is mentioned. Color is light red with dark red text. Dark red text. Okay, just we need to click on the OK. So conditional formatting is apply on the cell. So question number 17 is complete. Only 6 questions are remaining left. If you have this type of assignment, you can share with me. I will complete for you. My WhatsApp and my email is mentioned in the description of this video. You can contact with me anytime. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.